Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Jira Cloud for AI issue creation workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with Jira Cloud for AI issue creation workflows, start by setting up a Jira account if you haven't already. Go to the Jira Cloud website and register for an account. Once you have your account, log in to your Jira Cloud dashboard. Next, navigate to the Jira settings by clicking on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, look for Apps and select it to access the Atlassian Marketplace. From there, find App Credentials to create a new set of credentials for your AI integration. Click on Create API Token to generate a new token for authentication purposes. A dialog box will appear. Assign a label to your token that is easy to remember. Click on Create to generate the token, and be sure to copy it immediately as it will not be displayed again. Now, open your development environment where your AI application will run. In your code, you'll need to install the necessary libraries for making HTTP requests if you haven't done so. For most programming languages, you can use libraries like Axios for JavaScript or Requests for Python. Once you have the library set up, initiate an HTTP POST request to the Jira Cloud API endpoint for issue creation. Enter the API endpoint URL, which typically looks like this: https://your-domain.atlassian.net/rest/a. In the request headers, include authorization with the value basic followed by the base 64 encoded string of your email and API token. Make sure to set the content type header to application/JSON. In the body of your request, format your JSON payload with the necessary fields for the Jira issue, such as project keys, issue type, summary. Send the request and check the response to confirm if the issue was created successfully. If you encounter errors, refer to the response body for debugging information. Once you have verified that your authentication works correctly, you can implement your AI logic to automate issue creation. Remember to secure your API token to prevent unauthorized access to your Jira account. Continue to test and refine your AI integration as needed. With these steps completed, you are now set up to authenticate and create Jira issues using your AI workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.